So now let's solve this problem. So in this problem we are being asked that how long will it take for the capacitor to reach 90% of its charge. So 90% of its charge means what? The capacitor is connected to an external source, that is the battery. So the battery is supplying the voltage to the capacitor, like, right? The charge is being stored here. So the capacitor to reach 90% of its charge means actually 90% of the battery's charge or 90% of the battery's voltage. This is what you need to remember. So how long will it take? So they are asking to find out the time t, how long will it take for the capacitor to reach 90% of its charge. So the voltage across the capacitor should be, voltage across the capacitor is denoted with V. V is 90% of what? 20 volts. So 90% of 20 volts, that is 90% means 90 over 100, that gives us 0.9 multiplied with 2, that gives us how much? That will be giving us 18, right? The voltage, this V is 18, the battery voltage is 20. Is there any other parameter that we need to consider? So in this case, charging is happening, right? And the charging characteristics of a capacitor is denoted with this equation. V is equal to E into 1 minus E over minus T by RC. This is the equation, right? What we need to find out? We need to find out T. So what happens if we just simplify this equation? Can we write 1 minus E to the power T over RC is equal to, we are just changing sides, so it will be V over E. Then can we interchange some values and then write 1 minus V over E is equal to E to the power minus T by RC. Can we write this? Yes, of course we can write this. Then we have E and at one side. If we take E to the other side, it becomes ln, right? So ln of 1 minus V by E is equal to minus T by RC. So now can we write, when this we leave this T alone in one corner, can we write T is equal to RC is here getting divided by T. So if we change the side, right, it will be multiplied with this value. So RC ln 1 minus V by E. Right? Now there was a minus sign over here, so this minus should also go to that side. So now this is what we are supposed to find out. How long will it take? So the time we need to find out for the capacitor to reach 90% of its value. So R has a value of 1000, C has a value of 500 to the power minus 6, then ln of 1 minus V has a value of 18 and E is 20. So if we simplify, or if we simply calculate this one, we will get our final answer as 1.15 seconds. So this is our final answer. So I hope you have understood this one. If you have any query, any doubt, please feel free to let me know. And in the next lesson, we will be talking about some other topics. Till then, goodbye.